When I tackled my own kitchen redo last year, I realized it wasn't about chasing the trendiest tile or the fanciest faucet, but about creating a space ready for whatever life brings. And whether you're gutting your kitchen or rethinking a bathroom, the key is choosing your countertop first, because that slab will guide every decision that follows. First, figure out your real-life routine before you fall in love with fancy tiles or faucets by auditing exactly how your household uses the space. Consider whether you're chopping vegetables at dawn, squeezing in a coffee break between conference calls, or hosting busy pasta nights. Factor in aging-in-place perks like lever handles and flat flooring for wheeled carts, and list your must-haves: modern minimalism, reclaimed wood warmth, or water-friendly, non-toxic surfaces, so every choice feels on brand. Once you understand your routine and needs, lock in your countertop first. It serves as your color compass and starting point for cabinets, backsplashes, and fixtures. Natural stone brings authentic character and stands up to hot pans, but requires resealing every 12 to 24 months, while engineered quartz offers consistent color and low porosity, but can look less natural unless you choose a textured finish or add quartzite accents. Comparing slabs early lets you drop a pan, spill red wine, and test for scratches while reviewing warranties, so you gain performance insights and peace of mind before committing. With the countertop chosen, your floor's style direction is set. Match marble veins with herringbone vinyl planks, or maintain an open flow with large matte porcelain tiles. Select water-resistant materials like porcelain or luxury vinyl near sinks. Check for high slip resistance ratings, and consider cushioned backing or underfloor heating mats for comfort during long kitchen marathons. Your countertop isn't just a slab. It defines functional zones. Map out prep space near the stove, designate a baking area, and carve out a lower height section for casual use or remote work. Add built-in features like pop-up outlets by the sink, integrated knife blocks, baking sheet slots, and extra drawers to keep surfaces clear and cable-free. Locking in the slab early also fixes sink and cooktop locations so you avoid late changes and keep all trades coordinated, ensuring the project stays on track. Finally, embrace sustainability by choosing materials with green certifications like GreenGuard, NSF, or FSC, and look for slabs with recycled content or responsibly sourced stone. Balance total cost and longevity. Natural stone needs pH-neutral soap and periodic resealing, while quartz cleans easily with mild dish soap. Choose options with strong warranties and maintenance plans. Starting with the countertop as your design anchor guides cabinets, paint, flooring, and storage details seamlessly, so double-check measurements, review slab samples under your own lighting, and organize all specs, warranties, and care instructions in a digital folder to ensure your remodel remains attractive and functional for years to come.